stick. With a magic stick, they give a gift to the children, small children, surprise gift on their birthday sometimes. And with the magic stick, they take them to the. We are seeing in the dream also fairyland. We go in the heaven with the fairy, and we see amazing, wonderful things in the heaven. So today I am going to take you to the fairyland. Let's come and watch. Can you see? Here rings are there, clown is there, joker, fairy, and fairy princess is there with her teddy bear, boy and girl, again ring, boat, pictures, Christmas trees and clowns, teddy bear. Now after Fairyland we are going to a Playland country. Playland country. It is a country where lots of children are there, consisted of lots of children. Where the children are so many lots of children populations are there, and the children are busy in playing games. Some children are riding wooden horses. Some children are playing games. Some children play blind buff game, and many other things they are playing. So now let's start with the creative sections, and in that sections we are going to learn about comprehension 3, page number 98 and 99. Playland was like no other country in the world. The population consisted of children. The oldest was 14 and the youngest scarcely 8 years old. The merriment and noise in the streets was maddening. Now here is one country in the world, and that country name is Playland. This country consisted populations of children only. The oldest child is 14 years and the youngest is 8 years old. Merriment means round about, and maddening means irritating. Irritating noise in the marriage seasons. If we put a loud speaker on a loud voice, then it irritates us. But if we put a music on a soft voice in a soft way, then we love it. So maddening means irritating, and merriment means round about. Go round and round. There were children everywhere. They were cycling, playing or riding on wooden horses. Some were playing blind man's buff. Blind man's buff means put up band, close your eyes and put up band, and the person has to find the blind with the close their eyes, and they have to find the children. In this way, blind man buff game we will play, or simply chasing one another. Some children were dressed as clowns. A few were acting or singing, and others were turning somersault. Somersault means leap or roll in which the trunk and legs are turned over the head. What do you mean by somersault? Leap or roll in which the trunk and legs are turned over the head. हम गुलाटी जैसे करते हैं ना, वैसा ही सेम in the same way it looks like that. There was so much noise and confusion that no one could really hear what the other was saying. Now here one cartoon character, Pinocchio, and his friend Lampwick thought that it was the most beautiful life with no school, no studies, and no masters to scold you. and the two spent 5 happy months in playland without ever seeing a book or even the outside of a school. Children, you also got a 11 months no not to go to the school, only study at home, and no master is going to scold you, no teacher is going to scold you whether you have done homework or not, are you doing studying properly or not. So you like all these things, children? You don't want to study, you don't want to come to the school like Pinocchio? See, afterward what Pinocchio is happening in his life. Let's see. But one day Pinocchio woke up and had a very unpleasant surprise. And what a surprise it was! He noticed that his ears had grown as long as a broom during the night. But puppets have very small ears and they cannot be seen. Worried, Pinocchio rushed to the mirror and saw he had a magnificent pair of donkey's ears. Magnificent means grand. Understood? Unpleasant means unhappy. Was not happy with the surprise. Now one day Pinocchio woke up and had a unhappy surprise. His ears had grown as long as a broom during the night. In the night, the ears has grown long like a donkey's ears. Magnificent pair of donkey's ears. When he rushed to the mirror and saw that his ears has turned into a donkey's ears, poor Pinocchio, how he cried! He now remembered all the warnings given to him by his father, the good fairy, and others. Children who dislike books, schools, and masters, and who spend all their time with toys and amusement, sooner or later must end up becoming donkeys. So, if you will also not study and you will not come to the school regularly, and you have to take interest in these books, you have to read the story books, then otherwise if you will not study and not come to the school, then your ears will also become like a donkey's ears. So you want that type of ears? No. So please come to the school regularly in the next academic year and study properly and study by yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.